you got to be real strict to even, especially a teenager. Hey, especially a teenager. Like, you got to be real strict on a teenager for them not to be able to access certain things, because you know how hard it is to monitor a teenager. Come on now, bro. What, you gonna not give a teenager a phone?
That's what they did then.
They had to, cause ain't no way. Like, come on now.
Or if they did give them a phone, they say it's monitoring every motherfucking thing, and you can do that if it's a phone.
Yeah. Certain shit he wasn't able to access, like they probably blocked Instagram, like that's crazy.
You know, for sure they blocked me, but I just want to know how the hell did he get that picture though? That's what I really want to know. Like, how did he get that picture?
I mean, it's not hard to